What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got my favorite blue box right in front of me. It's from Kunwu, and it's going to be a first impressions real quick. It's a new one I haven't had. I've been waiting for this one to come out for a while. It was in stock, then went out of stock, and obviously I didn't have the money for it at the time, so I got it now. Pretty excited for it. I already got everything opened up, even like the plastic wrap around it, just because it sits out in my driveway sometimes for a couple hours and gets really cold. So I kind of open everything up, let it kind of get some warmth to it and everything like that before I do the video. But I didn't check this out yet. I haven't like gooped it out. I haven't opened it at all either. See there, it just opened. But it's some type of like KPL lubricant, something like that. I think I'll have to get onto the not the KPL, but the Kunwu Facebook page. I'll have to ask on there, see if they have anything on there about it. Some kind of oil or something, but I think, yeah, maybe like a cleaner maybe too, or it's a lubricant like I said. Just came in the box with it, not real sure what it is, but I'll get in the Kunwu Facebook page, check it out, see if they have anything on there. If you're not on the page actually, I would say get into it, join it, because if you're looking for Kunwu knives, sometimes they have pre-orders on there, or they'll let people know there first before they do on the website. So it's a good page to get onto. They have pictures of like their knives, and people post pictures of their knives of it. Just general information. It's just, I like the page. It's kind of just it's kind of a crazy page, you could say. A lot of crazy people in there, but in a good way. But yeah, I say check it out. I think it's Kunwu Asylum or something like that. They have a Kunwu page, and they have like a Kunwu Asylum for like members, that type of thing. No, but general information. Check it out. It's good stuff on Facebook. But this, let's check it out real quick. I didn't show you the name. Like I said, it's a Chad, model number SX703T-1. I always like their boxes. Their boxes are pretty nice. Fancy. Obviously you got your not your cleaning cloth, but your like little cloth bag type thing. I actually use these quite often. I have like 5 or 6 of them now. This would be like, I think, the 6th one, I think. I use them all the time. Like if I have a knife in my book bag, I usually put it in this first and then throw it in my book bag, just so it doesn't get scratched up and stuff like that, obviously. Or if I let someone borrow a knife, I'll just put it in here and let them, take it there, and they can do whatever with it. Obviously check it out. But that's always nice. I love those bags. I don't know why, I just do. But then you have your little Kunwu certificate of authenticity. Excuse me, I always struggle on that word. It always gets me. It always gets me. So you have that right there. Couple cool little stickers. Now I've seen these. People were posting these on the Kunwu Asylum Facebook page. I just thought they were pretty cool. They're like, I think they're having Hanks come out too, so that's something to look out too if you like Kunwu. I think they had one Hank come out. I can't remember what it was of. I passed on it because they were coming out with another one. I was kind of passing on the one they just came out with just for I think it was the Linda Hank or the Karen Hank. I think it was the Linda Hank. So I don't know. Be on the lookout for that stuff. Now you obviously have your like little cleaning cloth and everything like that. Kind of nice. I usually like these. I'll keep that out because I use them often. Obviously you have your silica gel. And you have your hardware. It does have 2 also wire clips, and you have some extra Omega springs and everything like that. Some screws, hardware. Cool stuff. That's what I like about them. They really, you get your money's worth, and that's what's great about Kunwu. They're really great about that. I can't get over it. I love their customer service and everything. It's just great. And even like I said, the Kunwu Facebook page, like Sergio, he's in there all the time talking, replying to people, joking around, stuff like that, just kind of shooting the crap with people. So check him out. Like, it's a good page. Even if you just like knives and you like other knives, stuff like that, it's a good page, I think, to get into. Alright, here you go. Let's check it out. Oh, I love this thing. It is the stonewash version of it. I was actually, while I'm kind of posting this video now, they also have they had this one and the orange peel version come out at the same time, like re-released. That's like 2 weeks ago. And I think last week they actually came out with the carbon fiber and the reverse tux. So with the DLC coating, the black DLC coating. So seriously, check them out. Hopefully when you see this video, you'll go check it out, because I don't think they're going to be in stock long. Even though I'm not a big carbon fiber fan, but I'm telling you, that carbon fiber looks pretty fire. It's got like a tan, like desert tan type of hardware on it. I think it's like the XT lock mechanism, like the thumb studs, whatever it is, whatever you want to call it, the XT lock handles. I don't know what you call it, but also like the pocket clip, pocket clip is also like a desert tan. So it's really dope looking. Like, I'm serious, check it out. On the reverse tux though, I liked how I saw the pictures. They have the for the DLC coating, black DLC coating the thumb studs, or I don't know, like pads, thumb pads. They're actually black on this one too, which looks awesome. So check them out. I'm serious. Get them while you can, because I don't think they're going to be in stock long. They definitely lube these up a little, pretty good. That's what I like about them. They don't leave them unlubed, and they put enough on there that it's not going to have any problems with it during shipping and all that. Very, very smooth. I will say that I do normally, with the Pulsar and the Django, I had problems with the XT lock, and that's just because, I didn't have a problem with it. It's a great mechanism. It works perfect. But my problem is I keep putting my finger on it. So whenever I open it, I have kind of problems, like getting it all the way open. Like, I don't know why. I just like get my fingers all in the grill of it, I guess. But this one I have it, I don't have any problems. Usually I do have problems right away. Just like for, until I adjust. Usually it takes me about a couple days. But I also have 2 knives already with the XT lock, so maybe that's why I'm getting better with it. Maybe that's why I didn't have any problems right out the bat. Right out the gate, my bad. Not bat. This kind of sounds kind of stupid, right? Great little pocket clip. I love the pocket clips. I actually ordered a couple more for other knives from them, so I'm really excited to check those out. You have your, I don't know if these are, what material these are made out of, like the thumb pads. I'm not quite sure on those. They are kind of nice though. Like, we'll check it out the thumb way. Yeah, those are pretty nice. Those are smooth, real nice feeling. Yeah, those are nice. Even like reverse flicking it. It feels pretty good. XT lock, obviously. Like the XT lock. It's really nice. It works really well. I think I do like the frame lock by them better. It's just a preference. It's not like it's anyone's better or worse. I just like their frame locks. Yeah, I really like the Padre and the S-Tao. I think the S-Tao is my favorite. I really do think so. I don't know. I go back and forth between the Padre and the S-Tao, and this one's probably going to go up there too. I don't know. I really do like this, and it's a lot like the S-Tao. So obviously, if you have a Kunwu S-Tao, it's going to be really, really, really close. It's really like I said, same shape, same sheep's foot, same handle. Except for mine, I got the diamond texture on this because I wanted to check it out, and it does feel great in your hand. I've always been a fan of their diamond texture. I like the way it looks. Just got you some silver hardware, backspacer, stuff like that. Titanium pocket clip, like I said. Deep carry. Yeah, I really like this. I don't think you guys are going to be disappointed. I'll get that for a review. I'll do like a video where I compare the S-Tao to this. Because I think there are a few minor changes. Obviously, the opening mechanisms, because it's a front flipper, rear flipper, and thumb hole. And this just has the thumb pad. And I guess you could use, obviously, the XT lock to open it up, too. But I think the jipping's different, too. Let's zoom in real quick, show you real quick. See, it's a little different, I think. I'm pretty sure. I feel like there's more of it on the S-Tao. And I feel like it's not so close together, like almost like I kind of like this a little better. I feel like this is a little more aggressive. I wish it was a little farther out, but I think that kind of takes away from the design of the blade just because of the cutouts and everything like that. Like, I think that's a sharp looking blade. I really like this thing. This thing is awesome looking. Looks great. One thing I really liked about this was the Chad specifically, and the reason why I bought it. Now, this is the PM60. I don't know a lot about it. That's the steel of the blade. No, I kind of did some research a little bit. I need to look more into it when I do the review / overview for it. But PM60 apparently is supposed to be top notch. Now, this is the second iteration of the Chads. I think they had to drop the heat treatment down a little bit. I think it was up by the 70 mark for the HRC. I think they dropped it down to like 67 or something like that because it was so hard or something like that. They were having problems with this batch. I don't know quite for sure. And I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong. I just thought in the Kunwu, like I said, Asylum page on Facebook, he was talking about it. Sergio was. He was talking about it, and but overall, great knife, great steel. I think that's what I've been hearing. It's in like a whole different like category of its own. I've heard it's like very durable. It's relatively not bad to sharpen. I heard a couple people talking about sharpening it, and they said it wasn't bad. So that's kind of nice though. But I think the closest thing to compare it to was it Maximate. Now I haven't had any experience with Maximate either, so I heard it was close to Maximate, but still like at the same time in a category of its own. So it's something I'm gonna have to do a little research on. It's just a little different, I guess. I don't know, but I hear it's great steel. I don't think it's new. I think it is a little older, not older, but it's been around a little bit, I think. Just not for maybe knives. I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to do more research. I'm going to let y'all know. Or if you guys know already, kind of let me know down in the comment section. You know, I'd appreciate it. I just know I hear great things about this knife, the steel, and the diamond texture. Come on. What's not to love about this baby right here? But that's all I really got, though. Let me go. Like I said, let me know in the comment section what you heard about the steel. If you guys have a different opinion on the knife, let me know. Yeah, I love it. I can't wait to start carrying it. But like the video, it helps the algorithm out greatly, and plus I greatly appreciate it also. But yeah, have a great rest of your day.